So the other day I seen this video on YouTube saying, can you still make $200 a day with DoorDash in 2022? I thought to myself, that's a cool challenge. I want to try it in my area. So I woke up at 5 a.m. and decided to go out and do DoorDash, but that didn't work so well because for the first hour I actually fell asleep in my car.
Alright, so we got our first dash. $3.50. I can't even talk, I was sleeping. $3.50 dash, 2.8 miles. I mean, it is what it is. At this hour, I'm taking whatever. Let's get it. I'm a dasher. You say give you a second?
Yeah, few minutes.
Few minutes?
No, it's taking me the 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, I like 1 minute. I don't do DoorDash every day, but it says that the tip may be higher. I'm hoping it means what it means. Who knows? Probably not. Yo, whoever this is ordered pizza and donuts. What type of human are you? I like you though. All right, we got our second dash. Panera Bread. $5, 5 miles, Panera Bread. Let's go, we gonna heat it up. How you doing, brother? I'm a dasher. We just got a $6 7 mile Chick-Fil-A, woo! I don't know why I'm hyping it up. No, I'm just bugging, I'm bugging right now. We got a $6 7 mile, but I was far from the store. I know this area and I know that's not that bad. All right, so don't beat me up, DoorDash community, don't beat me up. I'm a dasher. How you guys doing? Good morning. All right, we just got a $7 for 7 miles, but I'm 7 minutes away from the store, so hopefully it's not that bad. Let's get it. Good morning. Another one of those weird office building cafes. I'm a dasher. Good job. I appreciate it. This is it? I love when it's already done. Oh, man. I hate the mazes. We just picked up another dash, $6 for 6 miles. I kind of regret taking this one. It's Chick-Fil-A. I thought it was a different Chick-Fil-A, but it's the other Chick-Fil-A, and this Chick-Fil-A has all the traffic. So once I pick this up, it's gonna drop me off right in the zone, right in the middle of the zone, so I should get a nice order after I drop this off. We just got another dash. $5, 3 miles. This is what we like. This is what we like. Let's get it.
Got one flag and a stick in the ground, setting up shop. Think I got a message across. Came for the top.
All right, we just got a $4 3 mile McDonald's. Hopefully it's ready. Hey, I'm a dasher. How you doing? It's not that. That's not Joshua.
DoorDash?
That DoorDash, yeah, that looks like Joshua. That
last 3 numbers, sir. Last 3 numbers.
Oh, last three numbers. Let me see. Last 3 numbers. This is it.
Yeah.
Let's get it. $4 order, 4-minute delivery, and it only took me 1 minute to get here because my previous delivery was like right down the street. That's what I like. How you doing? Didn't even get back in my car yet. We're at the building. I got a $4, almost $5, $4.75. 3 miles, Pete's Coffee. Let's go get it. Stephen P. Stephen P. Just got a $6, 3 miles. We are back at McDonald's. We were here earlier and I like this McDonald's because the food was ready. Hopefully we get it ready again. Let's see. Hey, Dasher back for business.
I'm setting up shop. Think I got a message across. Came for the titles and press of the one.
This way.
We are here at Chick-Fil-A. Chick-Fil-A. I like that name better. We got an $8, 6.3 miles away. Let me remind you guys that it is 8:50 a.m. Honestly, I like to see like $1 per minute for the delivery. It just makes me feel warm inside. $8, 8 minutes, $6, 6 minutes, or even less. You forgot you ordered Chick-Fil-A? Just picked up another one, $6, 2 miles.
You can talk to me. Just don't get your feelings on my leather seats, whoa. I don't wanna clean it up.
What
you doing?
What'd you get? What'd you get?
$8.
I got a $6, 4 miles. Just got a $6, 3 miles. Expectation. Instacart numbers with DoorDash, running it up. So that was dope. That order had a hidden tip. It went up to $8 and some change. I like that. All right, fam, it looks like it has started to slow down. We haven't gotten anything in like 20 minutes. I think, yeah, that's not good for DoorDash. That's really not good. It is 10:30 right now, and we are waiting.
Keep my eye up on them bands. I'm just saying, in the land, guess I'm back at high demand. And my car ain't from Japan, but
All right, so this is a good one. $17, 6 miles, PetSmart. Definitely easier than Instacart, I'll tell you that.
Cause you not, I'm like, cause you less able. Get these squares stretched out, that's a rectangle.
All right, guys, so we just dropped that off and right away picked up an $8 4 miles. All right, so yeah, we're gonna crush this. It's 11:30.
So I picked up the first order, which was good, an $8 4 miles at Panera Bread, but then they gave me an add-on that I also accepted for $7 and 4 additional miles.
Ass beat, that's a vegetable. Rest in peace.
All right, so that last order was, man, the add-on wasn't that great, man. Took me out the zone, like 10 minutes out the zone. Bad, man, bad order. But we just got a $21 order at Five Guys. 13 miles, but I need something to get me back in the game, so I took it. All right, so it's 1 o'clock exactly. I'm hungry, Dash. I want some more Dash. Let's get it. Here we go. Tropical smoothie. $4, 2 miles. $5, 2 miles, McDonald's. Chick-Fil-A. We are back at Chipotle. $6, 3 miles.
While at Chipotle, they gave me a $4 add-on for an additional 1 mile, which I took, of course, with no hesitation, and this is me delivering it.
The Burger Bar. Wegmans, $7, 3 miles.
So this delivery had a hidden tip, which brought the total up to $9.40, but they also gave me an add-on for $9.45. I took it.
Yo, I don't know how many times I've been to McDonald's today, but I've lost track. But we got a $6, 1 mile. $5, 2 miles. Mezza Grill. Let's get it. I'm a dasher, bro. We got a quick little $5, 2 mile. Bang, bang. Let's do it.
My camera died, but I did a few more dashes, so I'm gonna give you guys the stats. Here they are. This is my day. And overall, it was easy.